ஐடி காணுமே. பிரசன்ன ஐடி, திஸ் ஐடி 56655555105.
அந்த ஐடி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அது போய் அங்க போய் பார்த்துருக்கோம். டைம் அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சுல்ல. என்னன்னே தெரியுது. ஹாய், வாட் இஸ் யுவர் நேம்?
Hal. Prasanna.
Oh, you have a guy's name. Prasanna. Why? What is your full name?
Prasanna.
What is your full name? My brother name is Prasanna. That is why I'm asking. What is your name? Full name.
Okay, call me Jessie or Ammu.
What full name? What is your full name? What is your full name?
My full name Lakshmi Prasanna.
Lakshmi Prasanna. That is why. Who will name a girl as Prasanna? Oh, how are you?
Fine. What about you?
I am fine. Sweetie is your friend. Sweetie.
Yeah.
Oh, she is also a girl.
He's boy.
He's boy.
Boy.
Fake ID. Okay.
I don't know Tamil.
Oh, not a problem. Definitely not a problem. We'll play some other time. Okay, we are busy now. We'll play some other time. I will add you in a friend list. We'll play.
Okay.
After some. You are Kannada or Telugu?
Telugu only.
Telugu only. Okay, I have a Telugu friend. I will ask her to come also. You can feel easily. You can play.
Okay. Super girl white.
You know. Oh, super girl white. You know.
I know.
Simple like Vampa. Is he play good or what? Is a noob gamer or good gamer?
Good gamer.
Good gamer. Oh. You know you play with Super Girl Whitey?
No, only in community, Telugu community. I see.
Okay. You know Paru Chachi? Paru Gaming?
No.
You don't
I
know.
don't.
Okay. We'll see you later. Okay. Bye.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Matanji. Thank you so much for supporting.
Thank you. Big shout out to Lakshmi. Big shout out. Bye.
No, Prasanna.
Prasanna Vaiti. Sorry, Prasanna Vaiti. Okay.
Thank you.
ஒரே அதுக்குள்ள நீங்க ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு கொடுத்துருப்பீங்களே. மானத்தை வாங்க நடி. சாய் தான் வேற ஐடியில
பாத்துட்டு இருந்தேன்.
அதான்
நாளை கொடுக்கல.